students, in previous video I explained you chapter number 5, Gandhiji's struggle in South Africa. So today we are doing the question answers of that lesson. Now the answer of first question is, students, that while in the court the magistrate asked Gandhiji to remove his Bengali turban because the Indians were not allowed to wear turban in the front of Englishmen. The another incident, Gandhiji was thrown out of the first class railway compartment along with his luggage even after he had a valid ticket because the Indians were not allowed to travel with the whites. When Gandhiji wanted to travel in a stagecoach, the coach agent was not inclined to accept his ticket because he was an Indian. Later, when he haggled a lot, he was allowed to sit near the coachman, and in the middle of the journey, he was asked to sit on the footboard. Now, these were several humiliating experiences which Gandhiji had in South Africa. Question number 2. How did Gandhiji react towards these events? Answer. For Gandhiji, these humiliating events were a symptom of a serious disease. He realized that the Indians living in South Africa had long been facing such insults. He decided to face every adverse situation and fight against all injustice without allowing himself to be prejudiced. These events determined the line of his future action. Question number 3. Why did Gandhiji postpone his return to India? Answer. After Gandhiji was successful in settling Seth Abdullah's case through a compromise, he went back to Durban in order to prepare for his return home. Seth Abdullah arranged a farewell party for him. At the party, someone gave Gandhiji a copy of the Natal Mercury newspaper. This newspaper contained an article about the proceedings of the Natal Legislative Assembly. It referred to a bill which aimed at depriving the Indians of their right to elect the members of the assembly. This bill was to be introduced in the next session of the assembly. On reading all these, Gandhiji postponed his return to India and drafted a petition to be presented in the assembly. He formed an action committee and in his capacity as the president, he sent telegrams of protest to the authorities, but the bill was later passed. The Indian settlers in South Africa had no experience of holding public movements. With Gandhiji's inspiration, they started realizing the importance of their rights and started thinking to lead an honorable life. At this time, Gandhiji was indispensable for these Indian settlers. So, when he again decided to return home, these Indians requested him to remain there and lead them. Acceding to the request, he again postponed his return to India. Next question. How did Gandhiji organize Indians in South Africa? Now the Indian settlers realized that the importance of their rights, getting inspired by Gandhiji. They also wished to lead an honorable life, so they held meetings and money was also collected to raise funds. A petition signed by 10,000 people against the bill which aimed at depriving the Indians of their right to elect members of the Natal Legislative Assembly was passed by the Natal Assembly. The Indian settlers were led by Gandhiji and he founded a permanent organization named the Natal Indian Congress to look after the interest of the Indians. In this way, the Gandhiji organized the Indians in South Africa. Next question, why was the Natal Indian Educational Association founded by Gandhiji? Answer, Gandhiji founded the Natal Indian Educational Association to educate the people. It aimed at cultivating patriotism by educating the old settlers' children. Question number 6. How did Gandhiji acquaint people in India with the pathetic condition of Indian settlers of Africa? Answer, when he returned to India, in Allahabad, Gandhiji met the editor of the Pioneer in India and acquainted him with the plight of the Indians in South Africa. To some extent, Gandhiji's views were published in the newspaper. After reaching Rajkot, he wrote a pamphlet called Green Pamphlet, describing the pitiable conditions of Indian settlers in South Africa and ill attitude of the white men towards them. Question number 7, students, fill in the blanks. The Natal Indian Congress was founded in the year 1894. Seth Abdullah and Gandhiji were elected President and Secretary of the Natal Indian Congress. The Green Pamphlet was published in Rajkot, and Gandhiji regarded Gopal Krishna Gokhale as his political guru. So students, here we complete our lesson, chapter number 5, Gandhiji's struggle in South Africa. So you have to write it in your fair notebook.